Breaking news. News anchor Willie reporting. Stunning developments in the case of the attack on Mr. and Mrs. Mouse. It would appear that Leo, not Willie, is responsible for these attacks. First, we will hear from special reporter Tootsie, who's received vital information about this case.
Yep. His alibi is gone to poop. Look at this. Where's Leo going? He's headed to his vehicle. That's how he gets out. I'm gonna have to send this footage to the higher-ups because Leo is the one who did it.
Thanks to Tootsie's anonymous tip, police were able to quickly zero in on Leo's whereabouts, and Leo led them on a high-speed chase through the city streets.
Okay, ma'am. We'll send an officer right away.
Despite Leo's best efforts to flee the scene, he was quickly apprehended by Constable Bluebell and Officer Neffy.
Well, look who it is.
Leo is currently being held in a maximum security facility without bail until his arraignment in court. Here's Sergeant Doug of the RCMP with a breakdown of the charges against Leo.
The charges against Leo, aka The Line, include multiple assaults on Mr. and Mrs. Mouse, obstruction of justice, and numerous violations of the motor vehicle code, including multiple counts of speeding, failing to stop at multiple red lights, ignoring stop signs, and safe lane changes, heading the wrong way down a one-way street, and setting his car on fire in a no-smoking zone. He's also being charged with spitting on the sidewalk.
Thank you for that report, Sergeant Doug. In a related story, Mr. and Mrs. Mouse have moved from Canada down to Florida to stay with Patty and Willie. Pictured here, Willie is greeting Mr. and Mrs. Mouse when they arrived. It is clear from this video that Willie never assaulted Mr. and Mrs. Mouse. We will be following these events as they unfold. There will be more news to come.